Hello again. Oi, oi, oi. I know it's funny, the sun is actually starting to peak out now, and the temperature's actually dropped. The sun is starting to show, but the weather is actually getting colder. Make it make sense. Wait, what? Could you drive to the dump by the way of London? Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? London, that's a mission. That's a mission. Why, who's in London, Ontario? Why is Tom Hardy in London, Ontario? They're filming a movie out there? The fuck? Oh man. Well, that's a great show. That's a great show. I binged that. That would be a journey. Nah, we could get there. We could get there. Lord help me. And hello there. Hello. OG Hall Pass. There you go. Yeah, Ogdog sounds like she's already on her way. And thank you very much. Much love. Much love. Yeah, there you go. A little road trip for you. That's crazy. I wonder whereabouts in London and like why they picked London to film there. E-Pass ready to go. prepped and ready, eh? Hello, Beth. Well, somebody got filtered. Somebody caught an old-fashioned filtering. Oh man. Yeah, that's the Skyway. St. Catharines one. St. Kitts. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I am getting hungry. I haven't really eaten yet. Oh, down you go. Fuck. Hold on here. I'm gonna give you a quick fix. God, bumpy. Don't really need those on anymore. All right, hopefully that doesn't go down again. Yeah, I know, it seems like it's very hit or miss, you know, sometimes it's good, and then other times it's just not. What's on the agenda for lunch today? I don't know what we're gonna do. It's kind of a late lunch now. I hate how quickly your car gets dirty in the winter from all the damn salt. What are you dropping off? Just like some household garbage. That's all. Colombo, right now I am, yeah. But we'll see how food sits, you know. Salt, yeah. It's brutal. Bad for paint jobs, yeah. I've been giving it a wash pretty frequently lately. Pretty frequently. Let's see how much times, like twice a week, I'm spraying it down. I know, I've been pretty good. Beth, have a good rest of your day. Thanks for popping in. Well, with like the pressure washer at the car wash, I do like the self-washing bay. The lineup for the actual, like the automated car wash is it's usually pretty long, so I'm like, fuck it, you know what? It only takes about like 5 to 10 minutes to give it like a quick little wash and in and out, way quicker than sitting in line. Did I nap? No, I didn't nap. I still feel like I could take one, you know, but no, I haven't napped yet. Nope. Wait, at the next gas. Wait, what is it? What would complete it? What do you mean? Yeah, it did stop snowing, yeah. Yep. Yeah, Asha, we didn't get hit nearly as hard as you guys did, apparently. We only got that little bit of snow for like an hour or two earlier when we were live. We went from full sun to overcast. Rain. A little bit of rain, eh? Oh wait, I already went to the gas station. When we started the live, that's where we were. We were at the gas station. So I did that before we started. Did I fill the tank? No, I did not. But I did get gas. I did. Yep. I'm getting so hungry all of a sudden. Check the Cliff Notes. Oh yeah, it stinks. Smells like a dump now. Catching those whiffs. See, coming to this dump the first time confused the fuck out of me because I had no idea where to go. Amy, thank you for the lucky leprechauns. Thank you, thank you. Mucho gracias. Bring on that look. Who in here is Irish? Is anybody Irish? How's it going?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good. Just have some household garbage.
Appliances all in
No.
and, no car tires or nothing.
Nothing, no.
Just what city are you coming from?
Niagara on the Lake.
We're all set with that.
Cheers, thank you. A wee bit. Scottish, English, and French. Alright, I will be right back. Alright. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, Susan, we're at the dump. And it fucking stinks! Doesn't just stink, actually it fucking reeks here. In Canada. Yep. You got it. Quick Trip, baby. Oh God, oh God. Or Minnesota. Same accent. How much do you think it's gonna cost? I think $10. $10 hairs is my guess. $8.45, 12. $10, $10. I cheated though. I've been here before. It was $10 exactly. It paused? Oh. Yeah, it was $10 on the nose, but I cheated. I've been here before. Whoops. Whoops. Quick trip. You're gonna have lunch? Yeah, I'll definitely have some lunch. I don't know. We'll see. Cupino pickles. Ooh. QP extra pickles. A soup and sandwich. That would be a good combo. I could go, you know, what does sound really good right now is like a nice like cafe sandwich. You know what I mean? Like on those nice crisp toasted pieces of bread. Like cafes just do it so well. Nice little cafe soup and salad. Get a chicken noodle soup or something, maybe. Yeah, it's optional. Well, this isn't really a main road. Not what we're turning onto is. That was just like a private company road, pretty much. Don't you love it when cars are just perfectly spaced out where there's just not enough time to cross, you know? Jill, thank you. Thank you. Head would spin with options where? I missed it. I missed it. I didn't see what was said. That's a nice pickup. It does, yeah. It's got some zip. A New Jersey diner. Cat's Deli. What was that one in Pittsburgh my dad and I went to after that hockey game? I forget the name of it, but it was apparent, like, I don't know. It was probably way better years ago, but I feel like it was overhyped now. I forget the name. Wendy, thank you for the WGA car. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Mucho gracias. Does anybody remember that diner that I'm talking about? Me and Pops went to after the hockey game in Pittsburgh. Wait, Columbo, didn't you go? Yeah, you knew about it because didn't you go to school there or something in Pittsburgh? It was known for like their like what was it? Like not beef on a bun, but like a, oh fuck, not a pastrami. Fuck, what was the sandwich? Dips. Steak and cheese. No, I don't think it was steak and cheese. It was more like a corned beef or like a pastrami, kind of like that kind of like beef. Yes, that's what it is. Primanti Brothers. Primanti, or however you say it. That's the one. Bingo. But yeah, I feel like it was definitely better, like, I don't know when it, like, that was my first time trying it, but it didn't seem like it was as good as what the hype made it out to be. Or maybe we just had a bad experience. Da da da. In the 90s. Should we stop and give the car a quick rinse, maybe? Rinse. Okay. What was on it? Alright. We'll stop and give it a quick rinse. Quick wash. Fried chicken sandwich with mozzarella sticks and marinara. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that would be delicious. This truck is flying right now. Flying. I still can't believe how badly I fucked up my route yesterday. I mean, now we know, and honestly, some good things came out of it. We found some new fishing spots. I remember how to get there. It's pretty easy how to get there, actually. But the fact that I'd missed by that much was shocking. Not too long. Not too long. The dump wasn't that far away. Oh my god, this guy's in a hurry. He's just bobbing and weaving. Bobbing and weaving. Yeah, we got some positives out of it. We'll be back there in the spring and summer. wish I was like somewhere warm right now, at a resort or a hotel, you know, in the pool, lounging, maybe having a cold pop, extra spicy Caesar. Oh my god. Why aren't ya? I know. Make it happen. Fingers crossed next week for March break. That's the last shitty week of the minus temperatures, and then give us the warmer weather. Bring on the April showers. You know? Yeah, Colombo, there you go. You could even go to like, I don't know what your Canadian Tire would be over there in the States, but an equivalent to, you know, and get some bags of sand, and you can make your own little beach in there too, and you can have your whole setup, and you'd be great. Where are we going? Well, we went to the dump before. Now we're gonna head and get a quick car wash. Just a quick little spray action. Get the salt off. I want to get a pressure washer. I feel like they'd be so fun to have and so satisfying. I would pressure wash fucking everything. Everything. Get gas yet? Yeah, I got gas before, like, when I started the live, we were at the gas station. Hello there. You got a pressure washer from the TikTok shop? No way. I know gas is crazy right now. It's spiked right back up. $191. Damn. Yeah, Vancouver was always a lot more expensive. That's a good bump. Alright, we're going to the Lucky Middle Bay here. Yep. All right, un momento, por favor. Gonna give her a spray. Oh wait, hold on, actually, I can take you out with me. I'll take you out with me. Hold on, gotta... There we go. Okay, now we're gonna go to La 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 la. Where is it? We're just gonna do the high pressure soap. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Just gonna keep it simple. Hold on. Gotta give it a sec. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's coming out. Is it? Is it soapy? I don't think it's soapy yet. Hello? I don't know. Whatever. We're going with it. Smells like soap. Oh, one sec. Forgot to unhook it. There we go. Now we're free. Get the mirror. We'll spray. Imagine I left my window open. Oh my god. I'd be so sad. Uh-oh. I'm stuck on the mirror. This is difficult with one hand here. Difficult. I'm actually not even getting wet. We're doing pretty good. I got gas, yeah. Uh-oh, we're stuck again. Whoa. I almost dropped the phone. I like the live in the process. Okay, here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. It smells soapy. It didn't look soapy, but it smells soapy. So we're just gonna rinse it off after anyways, whatever. Fuck it. Quick rinse. Hello there. Oh, we're stuck again. Fuck. with black rims, I agree. I agree. We gotta get some. She's clean though. She's clean. I don't have my rag to dry it, unfortunately. Oh, I should have used that. Next time. Next time. Hold on here. Oh. All right, we're done. We are done. All right, ladies, we will be back tonight, later, all right? So stay tuned for that. Thanks for coming along for the little journey up until now. Oh yeah, it's weird driving a smaller car, yeah. It's different, very different. But, like I said, we will see you later tonight. Thank you for tuning in and for everything. Much love, ladies. Enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, love you. Bye for now. Ciao. Ciao, amigos. Ciao. Ciao.
But the whole time you're the scammer.